at home. Some of the best times that I've ever known, playing with sticks and skipping stones. What could be better? And I remember those summer nights, sleeping out underneath the stars so bright. I wish I might stay here forever. And then I packed a lunch and grabbed a pole, and we headed down to the fishing hole. Without a care and filled with wonder, it was a dog days of summer. Oh no. Wishing that the sunny days would never end. What is this magic spell we're under? It was a dog days of summer. Long tall glass of lemonade, sitting out back on the porch in the shade. I bet I could have sat there for days. What could be better? Blue skies and you and me, swinging from the tower on the sycamore tree. No other place I would rather be, but it can't last forever. And then I had the lunch and grabbed a pole, and we headed down to the fishing hole. Without a care and filled with wonder, it was a dog days of summer. Hanging out with all my friends, hoping that the sunny days would never end. What is this magic spell we're under? It was a dog days of summer. I'll always have these memories, but I'm just so happy spending days like these with good friends and family. What could be better? And so I'll pack a lunch and grab a pole, and let's head on down to the fishing hole. Without a care and filled with wonder, 'cause it's a dog days of summer. Hanging out with all my friends, hoping that the sunny days will never end. What is this magic spell we're under? It's a dog days of summer.